are not only going to help you love living in the body that you get to live in, but they also can help prevent chronic disease, keep you living longer and healthier and more vibrant. That's how powerful these are.
Meet Dr. Mindy Pelz, an expert in natural health and nutrition with an extensive background in holistic wellness and intermittent fasting. As a pioneer in health strategies for reducing inflammation, Dr. Pelz has guided countless individuals to regain control of their health through mindful dietary choices. In today's video, we'll uncover Dr. Pelz's top 5 drinks that can help reduce chronic inflammation and combat chronic diseases like cancer. We will also discuss how these drinks can help us achieve an inflammation-free, cancer-free body. Not only that, we'll also share easy and convenient recipes and tips to incorporate these powerful drinks into your daily routine for enhanced wellness. But before diving into the top drinks, let's first understand why reducing inflammation is essential and how it plays a central role in chronic diseases. Our bodies use inflammation as a natural defense against injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to various health issues, including cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Inflammation is often linked to factors such as stress, a poor diet, and environmental toxins. Over time, this persistent inflammatory state can weaken the immune system, accelerate aging, and trigger genetic changes that increase the risk of cancer. Incorporating anti-inflammatory drinks into your diet is a convenient way to support the body's natural healing processes, potentially lowering the risk of these chronic diseases. Join us as we explore Dr. Pelz's top 5 anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting drinks and learn how each can play a role in boosting your long-term health. Before we move on, it is important to mention that this content is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or heard in this content. Now that we have understood why prevention of chronic inflammation is so important to fight cancer, let's reveal the top 5 drinks that starve cancer cells and reduce inflammation. Picture a refreshing drink that doesn't just cool you down, but has the potential to protect your body from one of the most discussed chronic diseases, like cancer. Meet the Berry Cooler, a vibrant blend of berries packed with nutrients known to target cancer cells and ease inflammation. Blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These tiny fruits are powerhouses of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making this drink more than just a tasty treat. So what exactly makes berry coolers effective against cancer and inflammation? The answer lies in their key ingredients. These berries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that research has shown can slow cancer cell growth. Additionally, berries contain ellagic acid and flavonoids, which can help to lower inflammation and reduce the oxidative stress linked to cancer progression.
I'm starting to think this is like the best food on the planet. Our berries, all kinds, raspberry, blueberry, boysenberry, awalla berries, strawberries. You want to make sure they're organic, but they're packed with antioxidants. And the more antioxidants you have in your system, the more free radicals you are going to be able to protect yourself against.
One key study published in the Biomolecules highlighted the impact of berry antioxidants on cancer cells. The study found that ellagic acid in strawberries and blackberries significantly reduced tumor growth in lab experiments, showcasing how powerful these compounds are against cancer cells. And that is not all. The vitamin C and polyphenols in berries can offer great relief for those struggling with inflammation. They not only help reduce inflammation, but also strengthen the immune system, creating a multi-layered defense for your body. Incorporating this berry powerhouse into your diet is easy. To make a berry cooler, blend a handful of mixed berries with water, ice, and a squeeze of lemon for an extra vitamin C boost. Add a few mint leaves for flavor and extra anti-inflammatory benefits. In just minutes, you'll have a refreshing drink that can fight inflammation, protect cells, and reduce cancer risk. Now, let's explore our next powerful drink, ginger and turmeric tea, a warming blend known for its cancer-fighting and inflammation-reducing potential. But before we move on, If you are looking to dive deeper into drinks that can reduce inflammation, be sure to subscribe to the Quick Time newsletter linked below. Each week, we share expert-backed tips, delicious recipes, and actionable steps to help you live longer and feel your best delivered right to your inbox. Moving on, imagine a warm, soothing beverage that comforts you, reduces inflammation in your body, makes you feel comfortable, and ultimately helps prevent chronic diseases. Well, ginger and turmeric tea can manifest such wonders. This tea combines two powerful ingredients with a rich history of healing. Known for their potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger and turmeric work together to create a tea that can boost your body's defenses against chronic inflammation, cancer, and many others. So, what gives this tea its cancer-fighting potential?
I look at ginger as a digestive root that will help your digestive tract work well so you don't have a post-meal inflammatory response. Turmeric, we already know, there's like thousands and thousands of research studies showing that turmeric has this anti-inflammatory effect. So putting it in juice, grating it into salads I've even done, taking supplements, however you can get turmeric in, there is nothing bad about turmeric. It is the hero of the inflammation day. It will absolutely bring your inflammatory response.
Ginger in this tea is loaded with a super weapon, gingerol. Gingerol, a bioactive compound, can help reduce inflammation and inhibit cancer cell growth. Turmeric, on the other hand, is reinforced with curcumin, turmeric's active compound. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that can interfere with cancer cell signaling pathways, making it hard for cancer to spread and grow. Research supports the power of these compounds in fighting disease. A study published in the Frontiers in Nutrition found that curcumin, when combined with gingerol, can significantly reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in cells, key factors in cancer development. This study highlights the potent synergy between ginger and turmeric in preventing cancer. For those dealing with inflammation, this tea can offer a natural way to soothe symptoms and reduce chronic inflammation linked to serious health issues. Ginger and turmeric are both natural COX-2 inhibitors, which means they can block enzymes responsible for inflammation without the side effects of synthetic drugs. Bringing this health-boosting tea into your routine is simple. To make ginger and turmeric tea, boil a cup of water and add a teaspoon of grated ginger and a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain. Add a dash of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption and a drizzle of honey for taste. With just a few ingredients, you can enjoy a tea that fights inflammation, protects your cells, and may reduce your cancer risk. Now, let's move to our next beverage in the fight against cancer and inflammation: coffee. Imagine your daily cup of coffee can do more than just wake you up. It could also protect you from cancer and inflammation. Coffee, one of the world's most popular drinks, is packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These components help shield cells from damage, reduce oxidative stress, and create a robust defense system for the body. So, what makes coffee so beneficial for fighting cancer and inflammation? Coffee's secret ingredients include polyphenols, specifically chlorogenic acid, which has been studied for its ability to potentially reduce cancer risk. These polyphenols act as antioxidants, targeting free radicals and minimizing cell damage. Research shows that coffee can lower the risk of several cancers, including liver and colorectal cancers, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects.
So when we drink a cup of coffee every single morning, we're increasing those polyphenols. Now, something really interesting, there was a 2024 study, so this is pretty recent. They found that coffee decreases gut inflammation and it improves microbial diversity.
A study published in the BMC Gastroenterology found that people who regularly consume coffee have a significantly lower risk of liver cancer. This study links coffee's antioxidant-rich profile with reduced oxidative stress, showing coffee's protective effects against cancer. Adding more to these benefits, coffee's anti-inflammatory compounds, like diterpenes, can help lower inflammation throughout the body. For those dealing with conditions linked to inflammation, such as arthritis or cardiovascular disease, coffee may offer natural relief. Including coffee in your anti-inflammatory and cancer-preventive diet is simple. Aim for a cup or two of black coffee daily, avoiding added sugars and creams to maximize its health benefits. Not only will you get an energy boost, but you'll also give your body a natural defense against cancer and inflammation. The next drink in our anti-cancer squad is apple cider vinegar with lemon water, a refreshing blend known for its detoxifying and immune-boosting properties. Imagine a simple drink that can detoxify, reduce inflammation, and even help fight cancer. Apple cider vinegar with lemon water is more than just a refreshing blend. It's a powerhouse for health, packed with compounds that can protect your cells and enhance your body's defenses against inflammation and cancer. Do you know how apple cider and lemon work together? Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help balance the body's pH, creating an environment less favorable to cancer cells. Lemons, on the other hand, are high in vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that can protect cells from free radical damage, a known factor in cancer development. Together, these ingredients form a potent anti-inflammatory team. Research supports the effectiveness of this drink. A study published in the International Research Journal of Pharmacy shows that the acetic acid in ACV can slow down the growth of cancer cells, with significant antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. For those dealing with chronic inflammation, the drink's anti-inflammatory properties can offer natural relief. The flavonoids in lemon may help reduce oxidative stress, a primary cause of inflammation. Apple cider can aid digestion and promote gut health, which can directly impact the body's ability to fight off inflammation.
So if we could stop those spikes by just adding apple cider vinegar into some things, stabilize your blood sugar, then we're not going to get that inflammatory response.
Start taking apple cider vinegar today with some lemon water. Simply add 1 tablespoon of apple cider and the juice of half a lemon to a glass of warm water, and enjoy it in the morning for a detoxifying start to your day. This simple drink can help your body reduce inflammation, protect cells, and fight off cancer risks. Moving on, let's explore how green tea can help our body fight chronic inflammation. For centuries, green tea has been celebrated for its ability to boost health, and modern research supports its potential to fight cancer and ease inflammation. With its naturally occurring antioxidants, green tea has become a crucial part of health-focused diets worldwide. But what exactly makes green tea so effective against cancer and inflammation? The answer lies in green tea's primary compound, epigallocatechin gallate, a type of catechin known for its antioxidant potential. EGCG can effectively combat free radicals and unstable molecules that damage cells and encourage cancer development. Studies also indicate that EGCG can inhibit the growth of cancer cells while protecting healthy ones, acting as a selective defense system. Research has highlighted green tea's powerful effects on cancer risk reduction. A 2016 study published in Caspian Journal found that regular green tea consumption can lead to reduced markers of oxidative stress in participants, suggesting its potentially powerful role in disease prevention. Beyond cancer fighting, green tea's catechins have anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit those struggling with chronic inflammation, which may lead to illnesses like arthritis and cardiovascular disease. Green tea can help reduce inflammation by lowering markers of oxidative stress in the body, ultimately promoting a healthier inflammatory response. Incorporating green tea into your routine is easy and rewarding. For maximum benefit, steep a cup of green tea for 3 to 4 minutes, as this maximizes the release of its beneficial compounds without overdoing the bitterness. With each sip, you're not only enjoying a comforting drink, but also fueling your body's defense against inflammation and cancer. So, that is all for the top 5 drinks that starve cancer cells and reduce inflammation. But even by making correct dietary choices, there could be a missing piece in your puzzle that can provide additional support to your body against chronic inflammation. Maybe your mealtimes could play an important role in avoiding inflammation. So, join us in the next video to uncover the 5 healthy tips and lifestyle changes that will help your body prevent chronic inflammation and diseases naturally.